A small disclaimer before we continue. This video may upset a few people, but I don't care. Let's go. The term the drone police is something that's been going around for a few years now and has been linked with negativity and towards the people who are being accused of being the drone police. But is this necessarily a bad thing? Should we not be policing our community ourselves? Should not we be commenting and giving advice to others if other people really don't know? I think we should be talking about this because we never talk about it, and it's time, just because of some recent activity in the press with some drone users, I think it's time we need to step up as a community and actually do something. Hi everyone, Stephen from the Flyby Guys. It's great to see you again, and of course this is not a video which I think we should be making, but unfortunately due to some activity in the press we have seen some negativity about drone users. We have one in the UK where someone was flying at a music festival and going into an area, I think at the Midlands airport, and this person was charged, given a fine which was nowhere near enough as far as I'm concerned, and had his drone taken away, which of course is good, but that person can buy another drone. All this kind of thing has been going on, but then now this happened in the UK. In the US, we're also seeing activity with the forest fires, where people are actually putting their drones up to see what's going on, maybe get some footage, want to get some cool photos, and that's causing some major upsets within the emergency services. If we look here at the Washington State Department of Natural Resources, they're actually saying that their operations have been stopped due to drones being flying in the area. Now, this is something that we should not be doing, okay? Now, even if you're allowed to fly in that area, if there are, let's say, potential hazards because of ongoing fires, whether it be a forest fire or whether it be, let's say, a building on fire, we should not be flying in that area. Why? Well, obviously because there are emergency services in the area. Now, in the results here for the Washington State, they have been having forest fires and they are using manned aircraft to come in and actually put the fires out. Now, they will not launch those aircraft if there's drone in the area, and they will very clearly state that. Also, if you have a building fire, a lot of people tend to put their drones up to see if they can get some nice footage, maybe sell it to the press or have a couple of good likes on Instagram, when in actual fact you could be hampering someone else's life because there are air ambulances that could be coming in. And a lot of people will tend to say, well, I didn't see any. Well, you don't have to see, because sometimes you'll have the emergency service on the ground giving indications that there is a drone in the air and the helicopter will not take off. So just because you don't see a manned aircraft in that vicinity doesn't mean to say that you are not causing any harm. You may well be costing someone's life. So if you see a fire, whether it be a forest fire or a building fire or any kind of emergency, don't put your drone up, because you're actually putting, you could be putting someone's life at risk. And obviously with the fires, you're putting, other buildings at risk, and obviously lots of land. Look, we need to start being more responsible within the community, and we need to be stepping up, and we need to be commenting. Just because someone thinks that an image or video is going to look cool, taking away someone's life or their property is not cool. Okay, and we need to be responsible. Think before you fly, please. It's very, very important, because if we don't, the authorities are just going to come down harder on us and the hobby will be taken away. This sounds a bit extreme, but I think that will happen. I honestly do, because they're getting sick and tired of it. When you get the authorities coming in back and forth saying that, we can't launch manned aircraft because we know there's a drone in the area, that's bad. That's us. It's you and me who have to suffer for that. Okay? So, sorry if I seem a bit ranty, but it is important. Now, if you are someone who supports safety and you support the hobby and the community itself, give this channel a like and subscribe, because it is about us. Okay? It's about you. It's about me. It's about everyone else. Hope this gets through to some people at least, and if you don't know and now you learn, that's great. But if you're going to continue being an idiot, then please, please, please don't involve us, okay? It's not cool, okay? Thank you, everyone. See you next time. And for Christ's sake, fly safe.